Now we're going to make this adorable little puppy bow. We'll start with our Mini Bowdabra. I have my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I'm folding it in half and just laying it in my Mini Bowdabra, just tucking the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra Scrunchy Ribbon, and I'm just going to scrunch it down into my Mini Bowdabra. And just kind of do it right down the center. Scrunch it in there. And then I have this little piece of tulle. I'm just going to scrunch that in and take my little ribbon here and just scrunch that down. Now I did do a little mountain up here so that it'll form the way I like it. And take my wand and just give everything a really good push because we still have more ribbon to put in here. Then what I'm going to do is take my polka-dotted ribbon, fold it in half. I'm just going to put the center down upside down and fold it back over here. And then they do the same thing. So I have an X. And then I'm going to push down the bottom ribbon and then the top. And that's how we make a boutique bow. And we're going to do another one with our Grosgrain. So I'm going to again fold it in half. I love this cute little paw print ribbon. And just scrunch that down there. And then do a little here. And then again, I'm going to do the X over. So you have an X here, like that. And then I'm going to put this into my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take the bottom one and lay that down in the center. And do the same thing with the top, except I wanted to do my little mountain up there. I'm going to take my wand and scrunch everything down. And then I'm going to take one more little piece of scrunchy ribbon and put that just in the center to finish it off. And I think this would look really cute on a little puppy. Then I'll take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, bring it through, pull it through the slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra, bring it out. Whoops, I'll separate the ends. And bring this, let's bring it down the center, bring it around to the back, and I'll just tie a knot here, and tie another knot, and then you can just tie this right on to your puppy's collar. Just shape this out. Oh, I want to clip the ends, but I would tie it onto the puppy's collar, or you could put it on a ponytail holder, or a headband for that matter. And shape it, and you have this adorable little bow. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.